We are here at Retiro De Avignon, and this is a community here in the Retiro that has apartments and houses, and even some you can rent out directly through the owner if you are an expat, because you know that realtors in Colombia here will not pay attention to you. They won't even acknowledge you exist. And this is a nice community here, and let's check out a little more. Let's go see the apartment, and it's a gated community. Townhouses, 2-story townhouses, and the apartments over there. And we're going to see one right now. And for visitors, you have the visitors parking lot right there. And then for owners or tenants, you have these covered parking spaces so your car doesn't get hit with all the heat. Let's go check out the apartment. It should have an elevator. But you can look at the houses. You see how they got the little balcony there. You can have your in the little garage. It's not a garage with a door, but what more do you need? And look at the views, the mountain over there. Wow. No impediment with the views here. So Retiro De Avignon does have, of course, elevators. Oh, and the automatic lights that turn on when you come in. And let's go in.
That's the max, right?
Yeah, it's got 5 floors here. I thought it was max 4, but 5. And these are Mitsubishi elevators, so they're good. Yeah, 326 is right over here on the left side. Should have a nice view. Yeah, the view alone is just priceless. Se vende, se arrienda, they're renting it out there. Wow. So it has a nice small kitchen here. Really nice. Let's look out the balcony. And it has this beautiful view, and there goes the town over there. You see the urban area there and the church. It is really a nice apartment here on the 3rd floor. Elevator and nothing but nature. Nobody's going to block your view. And there's the phone number if you're interested. And this is the area where you got the wash basin there for the washing machine, and a little thing here where you can extend and hang your clothing to dry, and where you can hang the mops and all and whatnot. So this has this area right here, the living room right there. This would be like your dining room area, or however you want to spin it. You got this bathroom here. The light is not working, with a shower. Everything, a toilet, a nice mirror there. And then you got this bedroom here. It's a 2-bedroom apartment. They are also selling this apartment through an agency called PSC. And it's got a nice closet here with places to put your stuff above and below, and hang clothing. And it's got a nice view from this bedroom, of course, towards the thing. But the master bedroom is just a 2-bedroom apartment. It still has a nice view here of this area, and this is beautiful, Retiro. And then it has this little walk-in closet, small space, because these are small apartments, with a natural light coming in through here, just like the other bathroom, and the shower, bathroom, and little stuff like that. More space to hang your stuff and put your shoes in and whatnot. What's your opinion?
This place, the view alone is perfect in this place. It's worth it. Whatever's price, the view alone makes it worth it. And it's a 2-bedroom, 2-bathroom, everything new.
Yeah.
Can't go wrong.
And what do you think about El Retiro so far? Even though we haven't even gone to the main town part yet, but the green and everything.
Retiro is a very nice vibe. Very laid back, very natural, very green. Beautiful weather today. Can't go wrong.
Thank you, Stephen. Thank you. So guys, that's it for now. I'm going to let you go. This is about as much as you'll see of me in this video. If you like El Retiro and you want to become an expat here, retire, or you're not in the retirement age yet, but you want to live here, this is one of the best places in all of Colombia, and probably all of South America. One of the best. But you have to come here and try it out for yourself. And it's Stephen's first time here. See, I'm mumbling and tumbling too. Bye-bye, y'all. Take care. See you in the next video. And remember, we do expat relocation tours and sightseeing tours. My friend and I, Lou, I almost forgot to say it. So if you want to contact us for any of that stuff and talk to us, just look at the description box below for the information.